When I first started fishing about 30 years ago, one of the first knots I was ever shown was the UNI knot, and you can use it for a whole lot of things, and I reckon it's really one of the strongest knots you can use when you're using mono lines or fluorocarbon. You can use it on things like your swivels and in some cases your hooks. So what I'm going to do is just demonstrate how to tie two lines together. So we're just going to go back to absolute basics here. So all you need to do is you just grab your two lines, and they generally should be around about the same kind of strength. There can be some variation, it's just the thickness of the lines. So all we need to do is just join them together, and then next step is turn her around into a loop, and that's it. So what we do is we simply go through about 3 times. You can go through 3 or 4 times if you like, but we're just going to go through 3 just so I can show you that one. So once we've gone through, we're just going to pull her tight but not all the way. Now all you do with the other line, you repeat the same step, turn her around, put her through 3 times, and there we go, and you do exactly the same thing. So basically they're both looped. Now all we need to do is we need to wet that line, because obviously if you don't wet it, you're going to create heat, and that's not good for lines. So we're just going to wet that and slowly start pulling it together. Now don't pull it together at this point, we just need to tighten them up a little bit more. So we'll just do that. And watch your teeth too. So when they're almost tight, we just pull them together, and there it is, perfect. So that's a double UNI knot joining the lines, and then we just clip off the end. So they're just called tag ends. So if you're just getting into fishing, it's probably one of the first knots you should learn is the UNI knot. It's super strong, retains a lot of its strength. When it goes together, it should come out like that, and it's so simple. So there you have it, a double UNI knot. If you're just getting into fishing, make sure you learn this one. Well, I hope you like and subscribe. I'm Andy, we'll catch you next time on CoastfishTV.